back to my channel. I'm Nayeli, this is Brother Mel, and we're going to do an epic water gun fight. It's going to be different because it's summer, and I guess there's special guests.
Nelly already said we're doing an epic water gun fight and that there was going to be special guests, but she didn't introduce them. So I'm going to do that for you today. Today we have Chilo, you already know, Nelly's dad. We have Jesus, which is Nelly's uncle. And we also have Alfonso, which is also Nelly's uncle. So everyone is going to draw from this cup to see who they're going to battle in the water gun fight, and then Chilo's going to play the winner. So everyone ready to?
Are you ready?
Everyone's ready to draw?
Yeah, me. You go first. Nana, go first.
If you get your name, put it back in, and we'll just draw you.
Oh yeah, you.
Chilo, you don't draw. You're gonna play the winner.
Oh.
You want?
I think my name is on.
Did you get your name? Oh, you got your name. Put it back. Who got their name?
Wait, hold on.
That's your name.
I got my own name.
Okay. Okay.
Who you got?
Oh, then y'all two play each
Look
other.
at Yelly.
So you two
Look,
play
Yelly.
each other, and then you two play each other. All right? Okay, we're not starting yet.
All right.
Wait, who did I get?
Can
You got Nano.
After we went out of water.
If you
I'm
run
going
out of
against
water,
you.
that's whoever runs out. That's when the battle's over. Okay.
I'm gonna
go
get one
against
of
you.
those.
Before the fights begin, I would like everyone to hit the notification bell and like button, and don't forget to subscribe. In the comments, comment down below who you think is going to win the battle. And once we hit 100 subscribers, we are going to pick someone from the comments who has the best comment from this video and send out a free t-shirt just like mine. So get to commenting. All right, let's start the battle. They're going to throw water at me. All right, Mel and Jesus are ready to fight. So they are going to go. You ready, guys? You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
On your mark. You set.
That came off. Go.
Go!
Oh, God.
That was a pretty good battle. Comment down below who you think won. So, Nelly and Nano are going to go now, and
I'm sick.
we're gonna see who wins.
Hold on, Bill. I got something way better than this little gun.
What are you doing over there, Chilo?
Get over there, Nano. Get over there.
Is he peeing?
What he has? Daddy! Oh, shoot! That's cheating! Wait,
Nelly, come on, Nelly.
Is that for me? Is that for me?
Nana, here.
Oh, that one doesn't have water. No, this one. This one's loaded. This one's loaded.
Oh my God, you guys are gonna be wet.
Is that for me or somebody else?
No, that's Nano.
Like a chicken.
Dang.
Can we stop? 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 Nana, put some water balloons. Listen. Nana, hurry! Hurry! Can you stop?
Okay, who's next?
Okay. So they're still fighting, but I think Alfonso won that one.
Stop,
Who do you
Alfonso.
think won? No. Who won the one with Nelly and Mel? I mean, Mel.
I
and
think-
Jesus.
I think Jesus won.
All right, so Jesus and Nano.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right. Reload your guns and then let's start it up. Whoever wins. Ah, there you go. I guess they're already starting.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hold on, hold on.
Throw it in the pool. Throw it in the pool. Guys, I'm gonna help pieces.
Okay, stop. All right, battle's over, you
Okay,
guys.
comment below who you think won that one. Who do you think won?
Me. I think I won.
Who do you think won?
I think Fonzo won because he slammed Jesus twice in the water.
That's true. All right.
Well,
Chilo
he's
and
big.
Fonzo.
All right, well, let's see if
ready.
Chilo beats. Let's get Fonzo a 10-minute break first, though.
All right.
So,
Well, reload
I need
our
an hour
guns
break.
and come back. Chilo! Let's see who wins.
Fonzo.
Oh, Daddy, do another one.
Oh my God. Why do I always get soaking wet?
Haha.
Fonzo, take him down!
Nelly, move, Nelly.
Move, Nelly, move!
I saw Daddy's butt.
You're gonna throw away all the water.
All right, that's enough.
The best ones happen when we after we stop it.
I know. Oh my God. All right, all right. That was a good one.
Okay, everyone's having fun, so we're just gonna sign off right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Refer us to your friends. And yeah, have fun this summer.
say bye, Nelly.
Bye bye.
Mel, say bye. Mel! Mel!
No,
Yeah, they're not gonna say bye. Yeah.